right, Yama Obibia Kwababio and Annor pay and Famra say Obet Network as usual. Don't forget so be subscribing and fee. Also, wait me ashena ode Amoah. Na unya and so etimi ashare Juminetanasia. Na it exclusive. I aboa no edi free air clubs in mu. Elon some and so some our channel so. Ama Bibian so etimi ekos come and no. I latest mo don't know pay abatanasia. Yeren some no a day and Annor pay. You better Asante Kotoko-Details session komo. Afe Ramswa Yimano Enchi. Morphine Donzu. Every chamber for Uche. Among latest update tonight. And so Edda Hans Salif Ibrahim Di Maria. And afe Kaleba man what is so many no. Rem Asante Kotoko let us not say. Abet Amoah. Moton Samache. Hilary Lord Adabo. Let us update our house of folk. Again media man. Jimano your latest update today. Annor pay the exclusive and a day ever sum Juma Jonafe etimi aboa ama bibiare and so etimi akwaka first of all the I think last week you know Asante Kotoko from paying for the two just say Asante Kotoko board chairman and afi to go fede and so etimi room ama say meeting and so etimi akoso na me who say story in fact na me happy and I think say Asante Kotoko na afi house no ye Ghana Premier League ebetima fan to apart me fra e two clubs we and me empire me bo say enkoye say me mpayfuna kusia but results na mpayfo kusia no e say a dead on the field and off the field me empire bo no sa results no e say a dead on the field and off the field because uram e was Spain in fact La Liga president o chenete na sebusa na obeka show say Barcelona na Madrid no ama ne ho papa ne brutal ene bi na Asante Kotoko ne house folk e de enso etimi ye because mo muka se empura ana ebru muka se enhia ana ehye na samutimi ma one side etimi edi mo so a ena empepe na me so no mo love na de enso etimi abafam timi de me mpa ba me bo ane se pegbe ana fe urama your about chairman meeting na course no results no ended on our pitch na so because e be season na has any Kotoko na pra e be me league no my dey ye be season na has Elba Cup Champions League na Asante Kotoko Elba Cup Champions League na has Elba Cup Confederation Cup na Asante Kotoko Elba Cup Confederation Cup hwe enije ababa kwemu hwe enije a ebaba kwemu me mpa ebo ano no me mpa ebo akonfe me ti a me ba no but you hope for the best na ever say no my day enso ebesi akọ enso elho Asante Kotoko training and Annor pay our pajo training session no enso eguso ekoso na ya ka chom se Annor bia no omba pajo a na fama room e eje na fama kwoto so at the preparation at the enso timi the fio enso timi the ba na sisi no abrante fan se morofin donzu enso timi ba Jimano Enchi and so they may pick and say latest training session better for me. You bet me one branch face Jimano Enchi. Oh, terminal fee, etima bonafia, my BBA. And so etimi akoso. Na mami found to John Farmer say, oh, sir, your place bad 9. Oh, Musala with you. Asatina Menoka say, am I? I fit last week in Muyadun Koma and I be at the amount. They may pick and say, Asante Kotoko from paying for I take it on final decision. Sa Pelasia Ekoba sabi monti me an Johnny Womo. Na ekofa nsempi eba market to 8 mika no nyina no uye player na wote me nka. Asante Kotoko from paying for say amobetemo 25%. But otiemie amobetemo 25%. Na fe aboa amasundwe de enso timaba. Inteno final decision and pay for the enso automatic. Every chamber for Uchi say on pay for one more omukabia wom edemana. Oman hunya. Pacho wa utemia oben abrante fan say every chamber for Uchi no. Say otemi nka. Mon kan che say ama ne ho enye ha. Na sabe obetima nya mpanyfo be mu ka bia ewom a na omoni Asante Kotoko mpany for den nkoko hya entime ndi nkomo ko de me pick the free ni side anano pay no enye good news for branch fan say every chewa for awuchi to Asante Kotoko training session and pre-season amade atoja no de tienie de me pick ni say latest by next week from 1st to 6th of August. Pachotie, from 1st to 6th of August, which is next month. Ote se Asante Kotoko mpany for. Ero mo pre-season akoko piem ewo enkrampu improvement tema. Mr. Emmanuel enye wonwa. Ano pen koma medi kire se empany for pese training session omo ko to so ewo nkran. Na family Friday enso etimede ba. But before such team able to other fin cry no. And also be to the free Kumasi Ako pay on crown, which is the 1st to 6th of August no. Demeti and he said this week Asante Kotoko paying for about 2 friendly matches. Say be answer sir. Asante Kotoko paying for a person or more person 2 matches abo. So 2 matches no. Deme picking is ora ye fen say a retinkler as the because the head coach and after the director of football also director Adama Kalafes Asante Kotoko no Jame Pickens omobe take omo final decision and a selective place no na omo mako kopiem e won kran it is Asante Kotoko to the free Kumasi now what is omo the official final squad at about bonten so when me dey omo e kwa that's why who other players di ma Mr. Emmanuel enya wonwa those players players and pay for be ebejo mo kwan Amoah de omo so we ma tip that is the biggest decision and the final decision from Asante Kotoko and na no pay ya boni tew and so the Amoah ya kwanim e won samnim training session one mana Mabeka chose a branch of friends Hilary Lord Adabo. I'm sir Moten and Gacha kakra. But Adabo nkomo no ene nkomo kakra medino. And he said Braka Krebicho. Yes. A branch of friends said Hilary Lord Adabo. The Martin said Braka Kre the Esho. Asat now no. And come on, make demand day. Maybe Hilary Lord Adabo, everything about camp. Hilary Lord Adabo, everything about camp. But one Mubusa Adabo no, the meeting said, Praka Crede, Esha one side, our boy in a treaty. And Lutan Asatana on team and Johnny, Asante Kotoko training no, Emma may training, you don't want somebody, Eddie Emma Mutu and Soho. House of folk officially, at about 2 years here. Coach of Fanny said, Niboja Kapu, and as I said, Juman over far, over by enough. What my hair may be and sweat my coso. Now, all lemo, and I say, Boniface United and sweat my bar, on my bed, Johnny, as a can cut him not for me. I may be and sweat my coso. And then they may pick some medicals for house place, no. I dare also a bus with giddy pa. No, almost always a pre-season, almost bet my start enough. On what me I come when you made you. And so etime akosika in fact Niboja Kaponedi some supporters at my house ebinom enye happy for appointment of Ora your friend say Niboja Kapo but that is part of the life e kan ho what I say the business no fine unya ha supporters no mu din koma they are not happy about it therefore say oba media one sporting club ni modern bo entimi ankosie. So why more say has as a biggest club? I go point to reference in the Niboja Kapu. But you better say the season you be siako. So be boa has and also Amoah has Amoah I think and paying for Bejano Kwamana the answer to my corner about say you tip every new bet. Any decision from House of Foka you did and want someone at the air to enough at me abo amajuman na day at my fan and to my pa and so at me fra. Again stars. They say on said to Sanan Commode, maybe do me can was you because Sanan Commode, dear, as you see officially, boy, not Johnny Club friend said, Diana, or what to us with you. And you can see the banter echoes on social media between media man and nice. What I say, lovely. But I mean, that is the work of a transfer. One just attempt. A bit mama, we play ano. It has a movie and also about return and also best. That is what is happening to a branch of Sedusana. You don't know some, but officially, I can confirm you to say, Omoni a branch here. Your friend say, a yes, saving Amankona, and so to marry you. Now, the project again, a session and wash. Oh, just imagine. Say, Obenya Sedusana. Obenya branch of bar father. What I say? In the middle. Now, when you're awuni, then when your branch of friend says, Stephen Amankona, I want him one more. This is the project a reference at Tapuku, Amoah with Adriana Stars, with the help of a reference called Samobodu. Me imagine the middle of Adriana, the middle of Mediama Sporting Club. Oh, league. Fine, Kotoko transfers and never to slow. But maybe I'm paying for the air. And I said, yeah, young Toby, but you may see the same place in a day, your manager. And with the youth team, no, maybe that is why I see say Asante Kotoko-Details paying for person almost 8 million. But you're week from the very announcement every day and also bet maba. But the come of a Diana Jumano mo air any day. Sisi, amu de nibre, mediama e de nibre and a room. But then you know, I didn't know Ebesia ko so come Mohammed Munyana Tima Johnny. As see Diana no. And so I almost signings. Ama bibia etima koso. Abrante friend say Jimano no. Latest update any. Mebe catch from say Jimano no. The camp of Nation FCDA. Omo won say a boy no. On person ko mo ton e de no kwa mo no ne. Na nka mo e de omo so etiminya bibi. The last time Asante Kotoko any Abrante friend say Jimano ano camp etima di nkomo no. Omo inform say we are part of omo project omo we de omo eba be. Now, some project I'm ever by it's a ball challenge because at that time, now walk up on age media air coswa. Now a branch of fence is Jimano on any day. And come on, empty ankles because the ball challenge anyone of my traffic come here, dear, a very difficult. And to the last time Asante Kotoko, any Jimano on 18 come, almost promising say, ball challenge ever be draw. On my side, etim as start initiative in the from one branch of fence Jimano on any day, and so etim edging come. But as at now, after some common acquire, Asante Kotoko from paying for entry enco bio. And I may say, oh, Pacalaba, what really kind? A club of friends said, Adriana Stars, FC. Adriana Stars, and as I say, Monoka, so more room for branch of friends is no move. And I can confirm you to say, you know, Domahine and Casasso at my place call. And the Ban Nations FC said, almost per se. A branch of friends said, Jimano no. Omutimi signing no. And to the main picking is letters by this week. Adriana, any Nations FC phone paying for a bedding como. And common with the main picking is a domahine, a beddimutinti my and your tapo kunkua. Domahine, a beddimutinti my. And also they are two paying for say almost Division 1 league in it da. After African campaign, and you don't bear say Jumano. And also no pay me room wo Mediama Sporting Club. They are picking say Mediama phone paying for and so show interest. Our branch here your friend say Jimano anomu. Say kon bia so no say Jimano na dey and so etimi ba. Say the bantan akoya Mediama and Adriana Stars. Asante Kotoko establish e dey eto. Now Kotoko interested e da so ho. Be say Kotoko betima sa ko anu bio. Say Kotoko betima aspake car no etima room our hardware no, and the biggest questions is here no, nations for the edaho. But as at now there, Adriana and of Mediama Sporting and our room for branch of fans Jimano and no idea there, you too. Salif Ibrahim Di Maria and Caleb Amankwa. I'm say over the weekend they told just say San news air pop it up. But JTN and I know say Caleb Amankwa a free agent. I can confirm it to you say positive show interest our branch of friend say Caleb Amankwa. Caleb Amankwa positive show interest our Caleb Amankwa. Salif Ibrahim Di Maria and Opemidin Komo Cherese, boy in our office, our Amonone. The manager of 2 players, we know, and I am willing to present these 2 players at the Asante Kotoko. But to Chemi, Salif Ibrahim Di Maria, Caleb Amanko moved to Asante Kotoko. No, I can confirm it to say, manager at the Mas have 2 players, we an early this initiative. No. Now, they are told just say, ono de Asante Kotoko fom panfo abia kwan mu na se ko ba so omo ye well nkwan de a obeja 2 players we de ma Asante Kotoko no ma de enso tima yadwuma because of anyama house of folk e de iron pen enti no opese wo teneka bi awon ba mi hu mesasa Asante Kotoko fom panfo be kwani mu se omo enkwani mu de the biggest question yebusa na so what would see me obepe say Salif Ibrahim Di Maria any Caleb Amanko ebe journey Asante Kotoko because Annor me right time be a supporter because me say pay the manager no eye no ne nyama no house of folk eye emre bi atwam no him for say manager ebe distract Asante Kotoko that is some supporters no be o must start esa campaign e was say the edeba the latest update Asante Kotoko form paying for any Salif Ibrahim Di Maria Caleb Amanko manager or agent ono omo no obi andi nkomo obi abeka cho se nkomo akwaso bia o dada nyamo no fact ne se owura na nkasa na person present how 2 players no e de come Asante Kotoko eno se tewaba ye de eno so de ye de emam e nkomo nim Albert Amoah finally date enie Albert Amoah eguso a o twen se obenya club etimesi akan yabeka on Mediama Sporting Club nkome course de enso e de kiramo yabeka chamo se oni Asante Kotoko eni dwumade bia de edibio oni Ali Bengazi eni dwumade bia de edibio but anopay latest update am pick from Albert Amoah camp enie opanya me ni din komo no na oyebema enkomo panyin no e de tu manim ni se Albert Amoah aka chomo se on person be she Jesse o Ghana ha asia kan e de ti Asante Kotoko pacho tiamiye o se Albert Amoah en person be she Jesse o Ghana ha no bobo e de ti Asante Kotoko se boy ne se ka ebe se ne kra ka be se no ka be ne kra ya eti boy ne this is A2 1 this week so amount Asante Kotoko phone paying for after say boy no loan deal eba na wiye with Asante Kotoko no ko bia fa phone en fan from say omo pe boy ne ene de enso tomato aso enti ni pa ne say this week so amount Asante Kotoko phone paying phone ka because amo ne media ma de o confirm dem me say enkomo no edu kire 85% enkomo ne edu kire 85%. But asat now there or confirm the mama say Asante Kotoko form paying for amba ni mua asat now there ko ne mai no omobe turn to Mediama Sporting Club omobe turn to Mediama Sporting Club. He said the biggest cause Asante Kotoko be yan striker fine Isaac Minta ho kwampoku ho obanya duam ho be otimi obi so a o timi ya join because the records Albert Amoah no untimi nyin fan film unya Albert for next season ebeboa so asat now there this is information free Albert Amoah camp eba your body jejade amamo se Kotoko be place call this week omo anya de ya ene omo ne Mediama Sporting ebetime wie nkomo no na afi ama bibia dey enso etimi akokama e de won nsem no e de emamo e wodwume so ba don't forget so be subscribe na afi onso e de won so wetima she e de ama TH mi nkomo ho TH mi nkomo ho Shaibu Abubakar so da me picking us akopim e wakra yes ni nyina ye story update aba ye de eno emam so ba don't forget so be subscribe na afi won so wetima she